Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with Renee and we're actually going to be making some fish soup. I've already started and most of you guys, I'm talking to you guys on live. So say hi to your future selves, if that makes any sense. So we're making fish soup and then we are going to make some drinks. Renee's like gonna make some quarantinis and like different stuff. All right, so say hi to yourselves. Woo woo. All right, sorry guys.
Should we
you
put
guys?
potato in this?
All right. Do we have potato?
I have potato.
All right. So we're making the fish soup right now. I showed you guys the ingredients. What I'm gonna show you now. Insert clip here. All right guys, so here's an overview of the ingredients for the soup. Renee wants the full experience, so we got some additional stuff that I usually don't use. We got some pumpkin, some green banana, then carrots, some okra, and you know, these things I don't typically use, but it's included in the ingredients usually. And then I'm gonna show you guys like what the soup is looking like right now. Then I'm just gonna do like some fast forwarding clips. So these are the ingredients right now, and then this is the pot of soup at the present moment. It looks so good. Are you excited, Renee?
Very much so.
Yeah, she has been asking me to come here and make this for like the longest time. So we're very excited. So I'm gonna prop you guys up here while we cook, and then I'll check back in with you guys later. Before I go, I made some flour for the dumpling and stuff, and then the fish is here, and of course I'll show you guys step by step as we go along. So right now, this is what it's looking like. I kind of feel like we need more pumpkin in here. Do you think?
Yeah. I feel like I
kind of feel like, oh, it looks so pretty on camera.
Does. Even though it's literally a bunch of vegetables.
Yeah, cook. You think that they have
water.
Pretty looks? So right now I'm just cutting the pumpkin. This is not the correct way. Please do not do this.
Please be careful.
I'm a little bit reckless. Lord, please. No, man, I'll take that. Cut no more pumpkin.
I need to really make a drink, bro.
I've had a meal. I love meals. So let's do a meal now.
Okay. So for our first quarantine
I'm sorry,
drink,
guys. Don't worry about me.
we're gonna do a Moscow Mule.
I'm a big girl. I can handle myself. All right. I'm gonna give you guys a little view of the pot.
I might have just done way too much.
I think it looks really good, actually. Okay, I feel like I can't find a good spot right now. Just gonna put you guys here. Guys, please convince her to make her own channel.
Oh my god. I literally am so, like, I don't have any, like, I'm barely on social media. The only reason I'm here is because I love her.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're making Moscow Mules. We don't have the mugs, so I'm using these little mason jars.
Come in frame so they can see you. So Renee's gonna make us some drinks. It's Moscow Mules. So
drink number one.
Carry on.
Some Tito's. Put a little in there. I already did this, so I put the Tito's in here. Got these little ginger beers from the liquor store. This one's already open. Pour some in here. Oh, I'm not in frame. There's a lot of vodka in there. And Octavia does not like her drinks too strong.
Okay, don't go crazy. Don't go crazy.
Can't have too much lime. And then I don't think Moscow Mules are shaken because they're fizzy. So a little stir should be sufficient. And then just a little pour. Oh, that was like literally the perfect amount. Okay, I have these glass straws because we're gonna be sustainable.
She's so slimy.
Alright, you have to try.
Ooh,
First
hold
sip,
on.
guys.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
You modified it?
No. You modified it. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna stop. Alright.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. It's strong. Oh my god, Octavia,
It's
you're
strong.
such a baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Put a little lime. It's strong, but I like it a little strong. It's quarantine.
Drop the
strong.
wedge in there.
No, we need to do mukbangs. We do mukbangs like hungry.
I'm with Octavia. I can't do strong, girl.
No, literally. She doesn't like to taste alcohol. I feel that.
I don't want to taste it, no. All right, so this is what the soup is looking like right now. It's just bubbling a whole lot. The pumpkin is obviously getting mushed out, as you can see. Now we just have to add dumplings and some additional stuff, but it's getting there. All right, guys, so now we're just rolling the dumplings for the spinners to go in the soup. Looks like this. Just rolling them up a little bit.
Peep the technique.
There's really no technique here. You're just rolling it up.
Spinners.
And I also had one drink, so I'm a little bit, you know, tipsy. What did you put in that drink? I kind of feel like a little bit like...
Way too much Cheetos, clearly.
No, it's Cheetos. So, alright. Alright, so we're almost done with flour. I made some a bit too big, but it's all good. The soup is gonna have character. So I'm just gonna drop the green bananas.
Ooh.
Ooh, alright.
Spicy. It's biting back.
It is though. I'm gonna drop like the fish tea in as well, the mix. And
From
this is
Grace.
when things gonna act crazy. Ooh, ooh. All right, relax, relax.
Should we turn the fire down? I'm scared.
No, it's fine. We need the heat. Ugh. Okay, I'm not even gonna drop that button. Renee, step back.
Oh my god.
I don't want to hurt you. All right, guys. Ugh. Give it a little stir. Oh gosh, yes. Flavor. All right, flavor. Okay, let me watch. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do the quarantini drink number 2. I'm talking to my vlog camera, by the way. So, Renee, take it away.
Alright, that's enough
You
of
see
that.
me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they trying to get me running through it. Trying to get me running through it.
Okay, first things first. I've never made a martini, so don't come for me. This is all a work in progress. But we're gonna start out for our quarantini. It's gonna be pomegranate flavored because I like sweet drinks. Octavia's not gonna drink it if it's not sweet, so there's that. So, start out with some ice.
And while she's getting ice, let's sample the soup. That is good. That is good. Oh my god, what did I do?
Wait, I wanna taste it. Give me.
Renee!
I wanna taste.
It needs salt. I just told
Alright,
you.
fine.
It's fine. No, to do it.
Okay.
Stir it first, though. Stir it first.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
On camera, so they can get your true reaction. And don't be nice. Be honest.
I'll be very honest. It's hot.
Be honest.
I have a baby mouth, so I can't burn it.
Alright, just take it. It's not that hot.
Yo, Jamaican women really drink the hottest stuff. I can't.
Just a little.
No, it's good. It's good. Oh, I feel like a little spicier, but I taste the spice.
No, I taste, but I feel like we could do some more.
No, but actually let's not, because Tiffany is gonna be mad. Oh my god, this is so good.
It's good, right?
I'm so ready.
I am ready. Tracy wants to join in.
Wait, before you add her, let me prioritize your phone. Get you a Google Wi-Fi.
Hey, Tracy.
Hi, Octavia.
How are you?
Hi.
I'm saying hi from Kenya.
Oh, hello from Kenya.
Yeah, Mombasa, Kenya, Africa.
Oh my God, that's so awesome. Thanks for joining in.
I'm your fan.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the support so much.
Okay, bye.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry,
doing the
guys.
quarantini.
Renee's gonna do the drink.
Quarantini time.
Take it away, Renee.
Okay, so pomegranate juice. Give it a shake.
All right.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright. Shake.
I'm hungry.
Pour that in there. Just eyeball it, you know, whatever looks good. Then we're gonna go in with the vodka. Triple sec. This is my first time ever using triple sec. Like, I have no idea what this even is. I didn't even know that. I thought it was gonna be like a mixer, like, you know, like daiquiri mix, but there's actually alcohol in this. Ooh, it smells like orange.
Oh. Oh my God, no, it does not. It smells like liquor, but do a little bit. A little
Actually, it smells
capful.
like medicine a little bit. No, a little splash of triple sec. Another splash.
I think it's
I
shaking.
think it's shaken. It might be shaken.
All right, pour it up, pour it up.
Wait.
Watch it all fall out.
Alright.
Pour it up, pour it up. That's how
Then-
it fall out.
You go first.
Ooh.
Quarantini!
OMG, look at that baby. Look at her go. Ooh. All right, guys, this is drink number 2.
I'm worried about this one. I'm not really
Why?
that into martinis, so like.
Neither am I,
But quarantini sound the best.
but all right. Are we ready for a taste test?
I'm ready.
How much did you make? Oh, we went out now, so I'll just.
No, I tried to make a little bit because I know.
All right, martinis are
probably
served.
aren't really like that.
All right, cling cling. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Oh,
Oh no, this is.
it's good but it's strong. You did good,
I
girl.
like
You did good. You did good.
it. Ooh, I can get into this.
Oh my God, the flavor, the pomegranate, the lime,
The citrus.
the triple sec.
This might be my go-to drink for the next like 2 weeks.
It's not bad, you guys. And it's not too strong as well.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a thumbnail, I feel like.
No, it's actually pretty strong. There's a lot of alcohol in this, but okay, thumbnail. Wait, no.
Coming for you.
Look in the lens though. All right, we're good.